Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create your own custom face using PicsArt. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened PicsArt.com on my computer and I'm going to show you how we can create custom face in this PicsArt. If you want to create custom face, we can go to the stickers menu, and here you just need to type in the face like this and there will be some results for you guys. You can also search for anime face like this. Basically you can just type in the face that you like, and I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, I'm going to add it to my project. You can also generate face with AI. If you want to generate with AI, you can select this option and you can describe the face that you want to create. Okay, here I'm going to add my prompt and then we can click on generate. Alright, and this is the final result, and if you want to add it to your project, you can tap on that image, and as you can see that the image has been added to my project. Okay guys, and that's all the way to generate your own custom face in PicsArt. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.